In this video, I will show how to increase or optimize speed of Windows 11 laptop or PC. You have to follow 5 steps that will make your PC or laptop more faster than normal computer or laptop. Let's get started. Firstly, open your laptop or PC. For step 1, you have to open recycle bin. Here I am opening recycle bin and delete all files and folder that is available on recycle bin. For deleting all file and folder, simply press Ctrl A in your keyboard. When you press Ctrl A, your all file will be selected. Make sure your all file will be selected. Then click empty recycle bin. When you click empty recycle bin, you have two options, yes or no. Click yes. When you click yes, then you cut recycle bin and open recycle bin, you see there is no file available in recycle bin. Here our first step completed. Now we are doing step 2. For step 2, simply press Window plus R in keyboard. When you press Window plus R, you have to type percentage sign temp percentage sign. You have to type this text in your run. When you type this and press enter, here this folder will be open. Here you have to follow same things. Simply press Ctrl and A in your keyboard and then press delete button in your keyboard, and you have two options, yes or no. Press yes, and if any file is not deleting, simply click do this for all current, tick this and click skip. Here our necessary file has deleted. We have completed step 2. Now it's time to step 3. For step 3, you have to again press Window plus R in keyboard and here type prefetch. When you type prefetch and press enter, when you press enter, you see a number of files and folder available in this folder. Here you have to delete it. For deleting, then follow Ctrl and A and then delete and press yes option. When you press yes, you have this option. Simply tick do this for all current items and then click skip. However, our third step has completed. Now it's time to step 4. For step 4, simply press Window logo button and type disk cleanup. When you type disk cleanup, then press enter. When you press enter, here disk cleanup for Windows SSD will be open. Here you have to click clean up system files. When you click this clean up system files, our unnecessary file will be deleted from Windows 11. Now we have completed step 4. Now it's time to step 5. For step 5, you have to again press a Window button and then go setting. When you go in setting, you have to see Windows Update. Press Windows Update. Here you have to update your Windows 11 for improve your speed and optimize your speed. Simply click download and install all. Here our Windows update has started. You have to wait to download and install it. It will significantly improve your speed and performance. So make sure you update Windows update. You can see we downloaded and installed Windows update. We completed 5 steps, but we have to complete just one more steps. Simply go in recycle bin. We have to complete just more one steps. Go in recycle bin and then press Ctrl A for delete all files, and then press int, then press del delete button and press yes. When you complete these steps, now restart your laptop or PC. I hope this video helped you improve your speed of your Windows 11. If you have any query, ask in comment box.